July 19th card opening. Just 3 packs and a package. That's my brother's that we'll open up of HDA shipping of cards. I don't know who they are. One hit left in here. Oh, we have an auto of Carlos Hernandez. Wearing number 71, but numbered at number 43. Okay. Brian Buxton, VR, Dave Winfield, and Jamal Jones. We'll set that off to the side there. Not familiar with that rookie, but rookie autos are not horrible things to get. And I guess veterans might be slightly better. Maybe. Okay, Series 2. There's a Sheraton. A Juan Soto insert. You could sign those. Another Ke'Bryan Hayes rookie. Tapia. Kyle Tucker. So probably the Ke'Bryan Hayes. Looks good there. And we'll get Bowman. We are still missing the hit in our Bowman hobby. Joey Bart, Nate Pearson, and here's our auto. Brady Encarnacion, first Bowman with a line down the middle. Jordan Walker, and we have a, what is this out of? 125 blue shimmer, maybe? Greens shimmer? No greens, or I don't know which one this is. Trevor Larknick, Colton Welker, Manoa. Not as big as the last one, the Bohm auto. But I don't know anything about him either. So 2 autos, 3 packs is not too bad. We're not going to do the random turn, but we will do this HGA. This is a 5-card selection, probably 60 days. We'll start backwards. A Drake Cronenworth. This is probably the PC club. Okay, so we have Inception, Cronenworth. It doesn't look numbered, but I can't remember if it's numbered on the front. We'll see. 9.5, Cronenworth. Base. Not too bad. Next one we have is Luis Robert, Chrome Refractor. Pink, 9 on the pink. Edges, centering, I don't know. When they have 2 9.5s and 2 9s, I don't know how the grading thing goes. Next is a Mookie Betts. 9.5 Mookie Betts. Pretty good. 95, 95, 95, surface being 90. Next we have a Fernando Tatis Jr. Chrome. Looks like it's a base Chrome. 9.5. Edges is a 10. 9.5, 9.5. Centering, they gave a 9. So I wonder if you would have got a 9.5 on that price, so it would be a 9.5. He's a Trevor Story. This is out of 250 Chrome Refractor Autograph. Oh, this might be the PC one. 9.5 Purple Chrome out of 250. 9.5s across the board. Good looking card. Anyway, I don't know if you guys are grading HCA, but I don't know. I don't know if they fixed out some of their problems. I know his PSA is still unavailable at this time. Anyway, that's it. So 2 autos and 3 packs is pretty good. I don't know the people very well, but should be good. Anyway, y'all take care. Bye.